In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on iPhone 11 or iPhone 12. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase all of the options that you have regarding fonts on your iPhone. Even though I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, you can follow along with any other iPhone model. For this, you will need iOS 18, so keep that in mind. So first, you will be able to download new fonts by going over to Settings, going into General, and inside of General, you will find Fonts. So if you are on iOS 18, you will see this option here. When you tap Fonts, you can browse through System Fonts, so new fonts that you can download, and the ones that you have already downloaded. So if you tap on System Fonts, you will see a list like this, and you can choose which ones you want to install into your device. You can manage them by going over to My Fonts. And you can preview whenever you tap on a specific font, and you will see all of the typefaces. Just tap on them here to preview them. Besides this option, you can also go into the settings once more, and then instead of General, go into Accessibility. In here, you will also find the option related to display and text size, which of course refers to the font, and then you can make the font bold or not. So if you enable this, it is going to apply for every single application throughout the entirety of your iPhone. Besides these main options regarding fonts, there is nothing else that you can do to actually change or modify the fonts in any way. These are the only options that apply to fonts throughout your iPhone, and besides modifying these options regarding system fonts and bold text, I think there is no other option to actually manage it in any way, shape, or form. So the customization is extremely limited, but I still believe that this is what most people are looking for. So if that is the case, just go into the accessibility options or the general fonts options. I hope I was able to help you on how to change font on iPhone 11 or iPhone 12. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.